Good day mga kalagarahe! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, another episode na naman ng ating motor reveal. So, meron tayo dito Yamaha YTX 125 and it is a cafe racer build and it is bound for Cebu. Just like our previous videos, ang gagawin natin today is magpa-parts reveal and mag-explain ako kung ano yung mga ginawa natin. First off, ang ginawa natin sa bike na to is nag-change tank tayo. Minodify natin yung main frame, tsaka yung especially yung rear part niya, and then converted natin into monoshock. Alright, so ang bike na to ay na-build na ng, I think ito na yung ika-4th or 3rd na na-build. So finally, pinagawa na ni Sir sa atin yung motor na to. So first off, sa tank, ang gamit nating gas tank is the gas tank of Rusi Classic 250. So ayan, minodify natin yung brackets. Then yung frame naman dito sa likuran. And then we had a custom seat. Ayan, and then yung frame niya. As you can see. Ayan, and then converted na rin siya into monoshock. Ang swing arm natin is hindi na extended since mataas naman yung stock ng YTX. We made the most out of it na lang bale. And then, as requested ni Sir, lagyan ng single rear sets or single shifter. So, Racing Boy yung nagustuhan niya and ito yung favorite natin for its quality and durability. Ayan. Then, bullet pipe version 2. Custom aluminum fender sa likuran. So, likuran naman tayo mag-start kasi usually nagsa-start tayo sa harapan. Ayan. Yung elbow ng muffler pala mga kalagarahe is powder coated na. Yan. Yan yung mga recent na gawa natin. So, dito tayo sa top part. As requested ni Sir, ito yung digital na speedometer. Ayan. And then yung high quality na clip-on handlebars. Ayan. And then BNG Classic, yung favorite classic grips natin. Ayan. Sa headlight naman tayo. Ito yung headlight na nagustuhan ni Sir. And then custom aluminum fender din. Powder coated na yung finish. And then bracket. Then sawtooth tires, we used Red Indian 4.0 by 17 converted to tubeless. So automatic na yan, basta gawang lagarahe. Tubeless na yung mga tires natin, din tayo gumagamit ng interior. Mini turn signal light naman dito sa signal light niya. Ayan, so sample natin, pakita yung lights. Ayan. On. Park light niya. High. Ayan. Ayan. Overall look tayo. So, ayun mga kalagarahe, it is a simple build lang na monoshock converted cafe racer na YTX 125. Nothing really major modification was done kasi basic lang sa atin to mag-convert ng monoshock. So, eto lang, in-achieve lang natin na magiging malinis yung gawa natin. Nakuha natin yung aesthetics na babagay sa motor ni Sir. And then, happy with the result kasi okay naman so far. Everything was good. Everything was redone from the previous build and now na-improve na and then na-fix na yung mga issues. So ayun, hope you liked it guys. See you again next time. Ciao!